the better show
Yes.
at 9 o'clock. You've gone all Sinead O'Connor on us.
Thank you.
That's
a lot of people saying I'm nidge, which I'm okay with too,
Oh, yeah.
but I like the Sinead O'Connor comparison.
Classy, yeah.
Yes, I actually got a hair transplant.
What?
Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, to be honest, people are maybe that I get that.
2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
I thought that you had to go away for like a month or
no.
something.
Also, your hair was grand, I thought.
Thank you.
Obviously, you
Just
didn't
grand.
think so.
Yeah, well, that's no, I mean grand.
Grand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, you've
Very
saved
full.
yourself. Yeah,
Very
no,
exceptional.
it was always full. I always had a big thick head of hair, but I'm 29 now, around the 23, 24 mark, I noticed it was thinning. And I always decided, right, I'm going to get a hair transplant someday. I'll, put it in the back of my mind. And then just this year, or last year, I was kind of reading more into it and about the different types of procedures you could get. And I found this clinic, HRBR in Blackrock, and I went in for a consultation. And I kind of realised how easy it was and how fast you can spring back.
Okay.
And I got this done 2 weeks ago, and I went in. It's called FUE, and they basically harvested 4,000 hairs off the back of my head and planted them like seeds onto the top of my head.
Okay,
so it was,
look. Can we
It's phenomenal.
That looks...
They kind of brought my hairline down more so. Yeah, but on the day I fully shaved it was scalped.
Oh, right,
Did it take, I know you were out of it for 6 days and under the opera.
Yeah, I want to be the winner here.
You will. You are going to win.
I feel so pathetic. I'm like, the recovery is, and you got...
I know,
anyway.
yeah.
It's all about the fast recovery.
9 hours.
9 hours. You go in, it's like 4.5 hours, and in HRBR, it's kind of like a glam hotel. You go in, and it's very slick and modern, and then you get like a lunch break in between, but you're awake for the whole thing. It's a 9-hour thing. I watched Netflix. There's a Netflix in front of you. I watched The Witches by Roald Dahl, which was quite funny, because you know that scene, remove your wigs, and I was literally getting my wig removed and sewn back on. But yeah, it was just the recovery was just surprisingly really quick, and you won't really see the fullness for about 18 months now. So,
but if people have been like, you had fine hair, why are you doing this?
Yeah, well, it was always something I was quite conscious of. Like, I was very good at hiding what was going on with how I would style my hair. But I was always conscious if I turned a corner in a gust of wind, I was like always wrestling with my fringe. Or if I was swimming, I would be conscious of which way my hair was sitting when I come through the water. So it was always something I was quite self-conscious about.
I suppose if something like that was going on with a woman, they just get it, nothing would be said.
Well, that's it. I think there is still a slight taboo about men getting stuff done, and it's like, why should there be?
God, if it's that good.
Yeah.
If it's that good, it's amazing.
So we're looking at the beginning of Series 4 of Ireland's Got More Talent. We'll see the full lustrous...
Absolutely.
Right.
They hire me now back.
But all done.
We're commissioning it right now.
It's time for a quick break, but in just a few minutes, it'll be time to see Ray's attempt at tobogganing in Austria, where he crashed into a tractor.